In the summer, there are some precautions to think about. Leah Sarich joining us with details on that. 3 million people. I had no idea.
3 million people. That's a huge number. These days, it is more common for contact lens wearers to slip up on the care and maintenance of their lenses. But as I discovered today, this can have serious repercussions, particularly in the summertime.
Hello, Dana.
Hi. Dana Knight is a single mom who works full-time. She's worn contacts for 13 years. Dana always finds time to take proper care of them.
I wear my contacts for the length of time that they should be worn. I follow directions with the solutions, just because I really care about the health of my eyes.
But unlike Dana, many contact lens wearers slack off, particularly in the summertime, and that means problems.
A lot of people will have inflammatory reactions. Your body will recognize things on the lens as being foreign and start to cause inflammations, and that's when you get the red eyes and that sort of thing. The more inflammation on the eye, generally the less the barrier to bacteria and barrier to infection, so people can develop eye infections afterwards as well.
If it's bad enough, negligence can even cause blindness.
If you're overwearing your lenses, or if you're wearing them longer than when you're supposed to, not cleaning them properly, deposits will build up, oxygen will no longer be able to flow through the lens, and your body will react in a number of different ways that can eventually lead to blindness.
Blindness can also occur if contact lens wearers aren't careful when swimming.
Because pools are either heavily chlorinated or a lot of saline, there are specific bacteria that grow well in those conditions, and they're very invasive and very dangerous bacteria. You mentioned blindness earlier, and there is a particular bacteria called Pseudomonas which can eat through the cornea in 24 hours.
So Dr. Ahmed recommends you don't wear contacts when swimming, or if you do, wear disposables and throw them away after you dry off. Now, if you're getting on a plane this summer,
we generally suggest, if you are planning on wearing your contact lenses, that you do take some re-wetting or lubricant drops to use when you're on the plane.
Just stay away from chemical-related drops like Visine that will dry out your eyes even more. Basically, good eye health means good sense.
I take very good care of my lenses. My vision is bad, so I don't want to do anything else to, harm my eyes.
Common sense and good basic hygiene are the best ways to avoid any eye problems with contacts. Dr. Ahmed also warns about the no-rub solutions. He says they're good, but don't rely on them to do all the work.